Hi guys, I'm super excited to be sharing my new apartment with you all. This is going to be an empty, unfurnished tour of my 450 square feet studio apartment. It has a monthly rent of $1,030. In today's video, I'll be breaking it up into 3 different parts. First is a quick walkthrough of the space, then I break down each section of the home more. In the second half of the video, I'll be showing you guys some of the community amenities offered so you get a better feel of the building complex. So when I first walked into the space, I instantly fell in love with it. I actually leased it the very same day I saw it as well, which is kind of an impulse decision, but it just had the cozy contemporary vibe that I was looking for in the city. I also did not want a big apartment to myself because then I would have to end up buying things I didn't need to fill up the space. I am just more content with having a smaller home that is well designed and efficient for all my needs. The overall layout of this unit is very similar to my last micro studio, but it's definitely more modern and updated. There's dark hardwood throughout, a neutral color scheme, and about 10 feet of high ceilings. This particular unit also came with a Murphy bed, which I thought was super neat. I always wanted to have one of these because it makes it super easy to convert your bedroom into a living room space, which is perfect when you have guests come over. Another thing I really like about the apartment is the location. I am a 5-minute walk from the park and 10 minutes from Trader Joe's, Target, and Marshall's. I just love having the conveniency to walk everywhere. As I previously mentioned, I think the coolest part about the living room / bedroom area is the built-in shelf unit. It comes equipped with a Murphy bed, which is such a game changer when it comes to living in a small space. And I'm pretty petite, but I found it really easy to use. It was not hard to pull down or tuck away. And this particular frame fits a queen-size bed. The Murphy bed is definitely a staple for a micro studio. It's such a clever way to hide the bed and incorporate more functionality into the home. Moving on, we have the kitchen. It's the first room you enter from the main entrance. All my past apartments had a galloway kitchen, but this one is definitely the biggest and the most modern. The backsplash is dark gray tiles, which creates contrast with the white cabinets. These were all custom built by a local store in the city, and they just create a ton of extra storage space in the kitchen. On the countertops is this beautiful granite, which pairs perfectly with the stainless steel appliances. On the other side is a food pantry, which will probably be used for storing other things besides food. It's quite spacious and comes equipped with a ton of shelves. So even though this is a smaller kitchen, it offers plenty of room for cooking and prepping meals. Right next to the kitchen is the bathroom. I love the bathtub shower combo with the dark tiles and high ceilings. With all the high-end finishes, it feels like a mini spa in here. There's also the same built-in white cabinets and granite countertops as you see in the kitchen. This helps create cohesion in the overall apartment design, and also it offers a bunch of space for all your bathroom essentials. Lastly, there is a walk-in closet / laundry room attached to the bedroom area. It's definitely on the smaller side, but I'm hoping to get some extra shelving installed behind the door. But yeah, that is pretty much an overview of my 450 square feet studio. Next, I'll be sharing some of the community amenities and features of my apartment building. Here's a look at the main lobby. It is the first space you walk into, and it's stylishly decorated to exude a sense of glamour and city sophistication. The lobby is connected to the community kitchen area, which makes the space feel very homey and welcoming. You can come here to get your morning coffee or bring your laptop to work from home. It's a big open space layout that gives residents a place to interact with one another. And if I had to guess, I think most of the elegant decor and furnishings are from West Elm. Everything is very contemporary and urban, which is kind of what you expect from a city apartment. On the next floor is the Aqua Lounge, which is a common area close to the outdoor pool. This is where game nights and some of the community events are hosted. This is a great place to have your friends over for TV watch parties and just hanging out in general. The lounge design incorporated bold pops of colors with a mix of patterns and textures. I think all these interesting elements combine together to help create a space that is fun and inviting. Next, we have the community swimming pool. It gets super hot here in the summertime, so having a pool is almost a necessity. This space feels like a mini oasis because there's a ton of areas for lounging, relaxing, and just enjoying the outdoors. On the terrace, there's a pathway that leads to a mini courtyard that is perfect for barbecuing and grilling. There's even a patio deck on the 6th floor where you can enjoy all the stunning city views. Finally, the last place I'll be showcasing is the fitness center. Here there's a wide selection of workout equipment to choose from. There's weights, treadmills, even a punching bag. Whatever exercise you're wanting to do, there's something here for everyone. And there's also room to do yoga if you're interested in that. So that concludes my video for today. If you guys want to learn more information about my apartment or see more pictures, check out my blog post linked down below. Thanks again for watching, guys.